What's up, homies? It's your boy Oxo The Alien, and first of all, I just want to say thanks to Shaner for having me in this video. I believe that this is actually a beginning of a great friendship, and I hope that we will collaborate more and more and make tons of videos and subscribers and money together. And then again, I can also say to you, Shaner, that you are my first, if you know what I mean.
What's up, guys? Shaner here, and this is my first video that I'm doing in English, but not alone. My friend Oxo The Alien is here, and this is, as he said, my first. But this is our first collab, our first official collab.
Collab is short for collabradoodle.
No, it's not.
Agree to disagree.
And today we're gonna talk about top 5 useless apps that absolutely are ridiculous. And yeah, let's start. Tickle Me Timmy. Tickle Me Timmy is the, well, we can say probably a little bit creepy app, because it's a tickle simulator, but it's not just a tickle simulator where you have to tickle your phone. I mean, it is, but it's not just that. In that app you have French kiss simulator and much more weird things. You know what else is weird? It's weird when you tickle the phone, he laughs if you did that good. And every time he laughs, it's creepier than the last time somehow. Also, the French kiss simulator option in that app, well, you literally have to lick your phone to do that. Because if you click it, you're gonna fail. So yeah, it's pretty creepy. I guess it's the forever alone guys or girls or whatever. But you know what? People are people, phones are phones. You can't mix up that too. It's just weird.
Now this app is actually called Human to Cat Translator. I mean, why would you even have this app? Seriously, maybe you just, what this app does actually, you speak into the app, you like say something and then it translates to a cat. Seriously. Hey, where can I get some weed? Fuck. Oh yeah, come on. I think that the... Fuck off! I think that the cat cops will gonna get me. I mean, I would quite understand if they would do for, how to say, for dogs, you know, when you go from Colombia to India and you have a big pack of weed with you and there are dogs sniffing around to see if you have any drugs. I mean, it would be better if I would just say to this, I could translate me saying to a dog like, hey, don't smell my weed. Don't smell my weed, okay? If you won't tell cops that I have this weed, you know, you will get a Scooby snack. Seriously, dude, you will get a fucking Scooby snack. But yeah, app is totally useless.
The most useless app ever. And yeah, I'm talking about the app that has literally named the useless app ever. Because why? Because you literally get a button. Like a button on a screen, and what will you do when you see a button? Logically, you will click it, and you know what happens when you clicked it? You know what? One big nothing. And that is the, I hope, joke of this app. You also get an option to make a widget on this app, so you get it on your main screen. But yeah, that widget also does nothing. And when you click, as I was saying, when you click that button, it happens, nothing happens. You're just clicking it, but nothing happens. And yeah, that app is literally what it is. The useless app ever. But it's on third place. The first place is, by my opinion, more useless than this. So let's see what's on number 2.
So yeah, now this app is actually quite stupid. I mean, seriously stupid. I don't know what is actually the meaning of this app. It's called Virtual Fan, you know, and what this fan does is actually nothing, just takes your place in on your phone, and that's basically it. All what you do in this app, it's actually first you choose a background. You have some cornfield, some desert and sea, and then after you choose this, you know, you have to wait, and then you will get a fan in front of this, like you can see it right here. You know, see, you get a fan, and then you can choose, you have to turn it on, and then you can put a number 1, number 2 speed, or number 3 speed. I mean, it doesn't even cool anything. It doesn't cool the you, or doesn't cool the phone. I mean, it's totally useless app. Like, why would you make this? Are you on drugs, buddy? On drugs? Not good, not good.
At the first place, we got green screen app. And yeah, probably most of you are gonna think about that this app is for green screen effects on mobile phone, but it really isn't. It's, well, you can't say it's a bad app because it's literally what they typed in a description of the app. So yeah, when you open the app, you get 3 options: green screen, blue screen, or red screen. And by screen, I literally mean screen, because your screen gets green, blue, or red, and you don't have any options. You just look at the green screen. I mean, it's useless. It's literally useless.
So yeah, then again, thank you, Shaner, for having me on your video. It was awesome. I hope we were gonna do this soon enough. Probably soon for my channel. Let me just think of what we should do, maybe. I don't know, we will see. But yeah, thanks again for having me, and to all of you guys watching out there, I'll see you soon in my channel in the next video. Till that time, peace.
And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Also check out my friend's channel, Oxo The Alien. It's really entertaining and you will have fun watching it. So yeah, I have to mention that part 2 is probably gonna be uploaded at his channel, well, really soon. And we are talking in English because we are not from the same country. So that's it. Subscribe for more. Subscribe on his channel to see part 2. And that's it. Bye bye.